Hey guys, in this video I'll quickly explain the theory of relativity. Let's go. This is Albert Einstein. He was a theoretical physicist and was born in Germany in 1879 and moved to the United States in 1933 when the Nazis rose to power, and he was a Jew, so that was a bad situation for him. Not only is he known for all these crazy quotes, but also for his theory of relativity. The theory of relativity consists of two main parts: special relativity, which is by far easier to understand, and general relativity. Here's what special relativity means. You know how they say time is relative? Well, yeah, that's basically the gist of it. First, we need to agree that the speed of light, which is also known as c, equals 299,792,458 meters per second, and that it's constant. That means it's the same for anyone, anywhere. Imagine you're in a spaceship moving through space at a constant speed of half the speed of light, so super freaking fast. Imagine you had a mirror on the ceiling of your spaceship and you shot a laser beam from the floor right to the ceiling. What would happen? Now, since you're in that spaceship, you would just see the laser beam going straight up and straight down, right? By the way, you wouldn't even feel like you're moving at all because you're not accelerating nor decelerating, so you wouldn't feel it. Just like right now, we're on Earth and Earth is traveling through the universe, spinning around its own axis, and you don't even feel that. That would be the same in a spaceship traveling at a constant speed, okay? Now, imagine there was another person spying on you from a fixed point, not moving at all. Let's call that person Lisa. Lisa is not moving in any direction, but she's looking at you traveling in your spaceship and she can see that laser beam. What would Lisa see? She would see the light going in a diagonal manner, not straight. Why is that? Well, because as you're moving, the light has to move as well. If you look closely, you'll notice that the light for Lisa seems to be traveling a further distance than it does for you. Now, how does that make any sense? Well, you could just assume that light travels faster for Lisa. But since we agreed that the speed of light is constant, that doesn't seem like a valid solution. So let's see what's happening here. So let's take a look at the equation for calculating speed. Speed equals distance divided by time. Since the speed is constant, as we agreed earlier, speed of light, we could just set it to 299,792,458 meters per second. But for demonstration purposes, let's just assume the speed of light would be, 20 meters per second, just to make calculations easier. Since the light travels a further distance for Lisa than it does for you, that means we also have to bump up the time in order to make this calculation work. So what does that mean? Let's just assume distance for Lisa is 120 meters. That would take about 6 seconds. For you, it's only 100 meters, done in 5 seconds. So when 5 seconds pass on your spaceship, 6 seconds have passed for Lisa. That means time is moving more slowly for you as it is for Lisa. In general, you can say that the closer you're moving to the speed of light, the slower time passes. This is also, by the way, the case in Christopher Nolan's movie Interstellar, where they travel really fast and a year in that spaceship is like 5 years on Earth or something. That's the gist of special relativity. Oh yeah, and the difference between general relativity and special relativity is that in special relativity you only look at a special use case, which is when the motion is constant, so it's not accelerating or decelerating. General relativity explains every other general use case for any sort of motion, whether it be acceleration or deceleration. But it's a lot more difficult to grasp, so I'm not gonna go into it this video. Okay, that was special relativity, piece of cake, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I guess I earned my first drink of the night. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel, as it helps us create more content. If you have any suggestions for the next video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and bye.